teaches is that it's your responsibility to know when you are in an unsafe environment, an unsafe workspace. It's your responsibility. Once you see that it's not safe, you have to remove yourself from that equation. Now, if you keep working or you keep doing it and you hurt yourself and something happened, it's your fault. It's your fault because you are the competent person. You seen that this situation was not safe and you did it anyway. Companies don't care about us like that. They will hurt you and replace you with someone else. I call them replacing you with a rollover minute person. Just somebody off the street. Somebody from Home Depot. They don't give a fuck. You see what I'm saying? So you have to be the competent person. And once you know you're in an unsafe situation, leave it. Stop. Move around. Give them an opportunity to fix it or something. But don't hurt yourself, man. Because you are the one who's making all the money. You hurt you, how you gonna survive? Hold on.